Hey guys, and welcome back. When I was planning to make this video, my wife said to me, "Are you okay? Are you unwell?" And that's because she's aware that I make this YouTube channel that does go off topic sometimes, but I do tend to focus on vintage Saabs when I can. And the eagle-eyed among you out there may have noticed that I'm not in a vintage Saab. No, I am in my first ever vintage Volvo. So I was going to do a walk around of this car. Welcome back, or should I say welcome to the classic Volvo guy. So here we have a 1963 Volvo P1800 with the 1.8 inline-4 petrol engine mated to a 4-speed manual gearbox. So this P1800 has been fully restored to its original spec and condition by a colleague of mine. It was a 3-year project, sourcing parts from all over the world and resprayed in this beautiful red colour that it would have adorned when it was first made in 1963. As I've said in previous videos, I really miss these old features of cars from this time period and up to the 80s, especially like with things like these chrome trims around the windows and the chrome door handles. You just don't see things like that on modern vehicles now. I love the instrument dials on this car. And there's more of that black vinyl and chrome and the leather seats. I just really miss these materials in cars. Sitting inside this old Volvo, you're just awash with the smell of the 60s, from the seat leather and the lovely wooden steering wheel, the tactile clunkiness of the switches, and this old radio. And it really is just a lovely place to be inside this car. As you can see with the engine bay, just what kind of restoration was undertaken for this car is absolutely spotless. So, only one thing left to do really. Let's turn the ignition key and see what that engine sounds like. There you go guys, just a quick video of this beautiful vintage Volvo P1800. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time, as always, on the Classic Saab Guide.